Okay, good day everyone. Are you excited for today's seminar? So, do you have any idea what is Philippines constitutional law?
I think this seminar will be so boring.
Yeah, you're right, Fritz. I think the seminar will be as boring, bro.
It looks like you're bored, everyone. So, by the way, I'm not the one who will present this Philippine constitutional law. So, any guess who will be our presenter for today?
Who's gonna be his guest? The president?
You're so lucky today! Yes, because our presenter today is our president, Mr. Hardy Rodriguez!
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's seminar on the Philippine Constitutional Law. Now, we are honored to have the President, Mr. Rodriguez, together with her spokesperson, Ms. Shalopris Marciano. Now, please give your all attention to hear their insight.
My fellow Filipinos, today I stand before you to discuss a cornerstone of our democracy, the Philippine Constitution. This foundational document, crafted by our forefathers with wisdom and foresight, outlines the framework of our government, defines our rights and responsibilities, and serves as a beacon of hope for a just and equitable society. The Philippine Constitution is more than just a piece of paper. It is a living testament to our collective aspirations. It enshrines our fundamental freedoms, including the right to life, liberty, and property, as well as the freedom of speech, expression, and assembly. These rights are not merely privileges granted by the government, but inalienable entitlements that we must defend and protect. As citizens, we have a duty to uphold the Constitution and to ensure that it is not violated. We must be vigilant in speaking out against injustice and demanding accountability from our leaders. Let us be a nation that lives up to the ideas enshrined in our Constitution, a nation where the rule of law prevails and where every individual is treated with dignity and respect. Let us remember the sacrifices of those who fought for our freedom, and let us continue their legacy by cherishing and defending our Constitution. Together, we can build a Philippines that is truly just, prosperous, and free. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President, for an informative speech. Please welcome Ms. Shalopris Marciano, the presidential spokesperson, to give clarification and answer your questions.
So, good morning, everyone. I'm here for any clarifications and questions. I will answer them.
Miss Spokesperson, why is it vital that certain rights are placed and specifically outlined in this Constitution?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Well, the Constitution serves as a blueprint for a just society by explicitly outlining fundamental rights. So it provides a clear framework for the government to operate and protect its citizens from arbitrary infringement of liberties. So overall, this ensures that the government are accountable to their actions and will promote equality and justice. So once again, thank you for that wonderful question. So right now, I'll be the one to question you guys. So here's the question. So as a responsible citizen, how will you help the state in the provision of the aforesaid rights?
We should stay informed of the current issues and events in this nation.
Participating in peaceful protest. Supporting organizations that work to defend our human rights. And holding elected officials for their actions. Because of Philippine constitutional law, together we stand as one!